Yo, what it do? It's your boy Afro Black. Now, hey, I keep seeing all these videos about how to cook this and how to cook that. But y'all didn't know Afro Black is the real chef. I say Afro Black is the real chef. And today, I'm finna show y'all how to make my famous homemade mac and cheese. Yes, I said my famous homemade mac and cheese. Okay, first you go get you one of these. You get you one of these. I know I said homemade. Shut up. It's still gonna be homemade. You just get these. You need these kind right here, right? Get these right here. The deluxe generic brand. Check it out. You're cooking with Afro. I'm gonna show you how to do this now. You get you a big ass pot. I'll be right back. Let me put some water in the pot. Get you a pot. You don't need that much water. Just a little bit water. Okay, that's enough water. You put your pot on the stove. Can you see the pot, guys? Can you see the pot, guys? You put your pot on the stove, right? I'm going to show you how to put your foot in this homemade mac and cheese, right? You cut your eye on high. Don't put it on low, put it on high, because you want it to cook quick. So you're going to turn your heat all the way up to high. You're going to turn it all the way up to high. Then you open your box of macaroni. Open your box of macaroni. You take the whole bag and you throw it in the pot like that. The cheese right there, you don't even need the cheese. You don't even need the cheese. How this macaroni finna be. This is the best recipe you'll ever see. Don't worry about the cheese. So just toss it in the tray with everything else. Then you come over here while the owl. You take your little meat tenderizer. Can you see it? You put a generous amount of meat tenderizer in there. Meat tenderizer. Then you get you some. Get you some a zesty Italian. I say a zesty Italian. And you put some of that shit in there. Yeah, look. And you got your eye on hair, so everything going good. Zesty Italian. All right. Of course, you gotta have your black pepper. I say, you know, you gotta have your black pepper. A dash, maybe 2 days. A black pepper. Then you're gonna get your brown and spicy mustard. This will give that extra eons to it. Whatever the word I like to use, eons, fions, I don't care, aroma, whatever. This give you that. Get your brown mustard. You put that in your mac and cheese. As you can see, it's coming to a boil right now. Then you get you some olives. You get the olives for the mac and cheese. Check it out. You put double whole olive in there. Then you get your ketchup. Put your ketchup in there. Yeah, ketchup. I'm telling you, you will never eat another mac and cheese again after you see this recipe. You will never eat another. Hold on. Then, of course, get your cottage cheese. Get your cottage cheese for your mac and cheese. And you just put all the damn cottage cheese in your mac and cheese. Now, we finna add a little salt. Okay? Just a little salt, a pinch of salt. That's all we need, a pinch of salt. Because you're cooking with Afro. Pinch of salt. All right. Now we got everything prepped up the way it's supposed to be, but we missing something. We need just a little more water, okay? Just a little more water, and we'll be all right. So let's get a little more water, and y'all stay right there now. I'm finna show y'all the best recipe ever for your mac and cheese. Right there. Need a little more water. That's enough of the water right there, okay? Now, we go back to the eye. We going back to the eye, and like I say, you know, we got it on high. We gonna get out a little spoon. Look at a little spoon. This is my favorite spoon. I always like to use this. Okay, you take your spoon when you stir that shit around. It get done in no time. Probably the next 10 seconds, we'll be done. You stir it around. This is what you call putting your feet in that macaroni and cheese. I'm telling you, this will not fail you. This is a real mac and cheese recipe. It will not fail you. Then you stir it up like that. You know, now what I'm finna show y'all is really the kicker. This what give it that extra boost. You see it? This what give it that extra boost. Let me show you what give you that extra boost. Hold on, guys. Now, I'm back. This is how you get that extra boost. This when you really put your foot in the mac and cheese and you turn everything. You take your foot. You put your foot in the pot, right? Just like that. Put your foot in the pot. Yeah. So you put your foot in the pot. And hold on, I ain't done. You put your foot in the pot. Wait a minute. Put your other foot in the pot. Just let your foot marinate in the pot for a minute. This gives that extra, aroma to it. You put your foot in your food. When you cooking, you got to put your foot in it because you want it real good. So hold on. Then you take your foot out. Y'all just wait 1 second. We ain't done. Show y'all the last recipe for this mac and cheese. Y'all sit right there, 1 second. Hold on, guys. The best macaroni and cheese you ever had. Okay. Now, for the last ingredient, you take the pot of macaroni, you put your whole shoe in it, right? Put the shoe in it. We're going to put it back on the pot. And we're going to let this thing go for about another 10 minutes. And I promise y'all, if y'all follow these steps directly, in another 10 minutes, you'll have the best macaroni and cheese ever. Just look at that. Hey, I see you cooking now. You're cooking with your boy, Afro Black. Cook on, right on. I see y'all soon. This Afro Kitchen. Yeah.